Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best of Mother's Bite. Treat yourself. I'm here with a new recipe, jungly chicken sandwich, which is very crunchy from outside and creamy from inside. This sandwich is very yummy, tasty and juicy too. Today I'm going to show you this jungly sandwich step by step, along with homemade mayo. If you have never tried homemade mayonnaise, then you are going to get a treat. It will not take more than 10 minutes. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Note down the ingredients. Let's prepare the chicken first. Here I took cleaned boneless chicken in a pressure cooker and kept it on a medium flame. Add half teaspoon of turmeric and salt according to your taste. Always try to cut the chicken into medium cubes so that it will be easy to shred it later. Let the water completely evaporate from the chicken. This process is only to get rid of the smell of the chicken. This shredded chicken is used in many recipes like salads and as stuffings for samosas, paratha, spring roll, etc. When the water from the chicken completely evaporates, then add half a cup of water and close the lid. Pressure cook it for about 2 whistles. Till the chicken gets ready, let's turn towards the mayo. During this lockdown, it is very difficult to have everything at home. So I thought to share my mayonnaise recipe as we need lots of mayonnaise in this sandwich. Add a whole egg into a blender. Egg must be at room temperature. Add 2 pods of chopped garlic and half teaspoon of salt. Cover and blend it for 50 seconds. Homemade mayonnaise is more tastier than outside as it is fresh without any preservatives. The sides and bottom of the jar. Turn the blender on and begin slowly. Add oil of your choice, little by little. It will be good adding light oil. Here I took nearly 1 small glass of oil. It is more than enough, but depends on egg. This process should be done in very low. If you feel your mayo is still thin, add slowly little more oil till it turns into thick. For flavor, I am going to add in pepper, salt and lemon juice. I felt that my mayo is thin, so I am adding little more oil. You can also add extra ingredients for more flavors like chili flakes, mustard and herbs. Continue this process till the mixture becomes thick. Look at the mayo, how thick and creamy it is. Exactly like branded mayo. Scrap the sides of the jar and process for 20 more seconds. At this point, you can taste the mayo and adjust your spices. You can store this homemade mayo for up to a week in a refrigerator, but it should be in airtight container. Take out the mayo in a bowl and keep it aside. Let's turn towards the chicken. I separated chicken from its water. We can use the water as a chicken stock for soups and curries. Shred the chicken once it is cool and enough to handle. You can shred it with hands or even with fork. Now add half of the mayo into the chicken. Mix them both. Chop lettuce and coriander leaf very finely. Mix them into the chicken. At this point of time, if you want, you can also add grated carrot, onion, etc. Here I am feeling the mixture is still dry, so I am going to add little more mayonnaise. Adjust the spice according to your taste at this point. Cut the sides of the bread. Here I am using white bread. If you are a Weight Watcher, you can also use brown bread. Apply cream cheese onto the bread. This step is completely optional. If you don't have, you can skip this. Spread the chicken mixture evenly on the bread. Cover with one of the remaining bread slices. Follow the same process with the remaining bread. On a hot non-stick pan, add butter. When it's completely melted, keep the bread sandwiches and grill them till they get crispy. Flip the second side and fry it. Many people will think we can't prepare crispy sandwich without grill pan or sandwich maker. But trust me, this is also very crispy. Only thing we need to do is keep it on very low flame for little more time. Cut sandwiches into triangles and place on a serving plate. Serve these sandwiches with green chutney or with ketchup. Our jungly sandwich is ready. I know there are many versions of preparing sandwiches, but try this jungly sandwich. It will become your family's favorite. Kids will love it.